Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is talking about skincare and how we are able to take care of our skins as women to ensure that we're looking radiant and, continuously looking young. And she recommended a few products that, she knows from using that has sustained her skin, I'm sorry. And she's saying that women could, come along and purchase that from her. And as we know, guys, she has our store. You can go to her store online as well and order up your stuff from her. She has bags and everything you know. But she was speaking about skincare in general. And she was saying basically that we have to ensure that we take care of our skin. Mentions that, going through menopause and those other things can cause us, to age a bit. But with routine skincare, it could, bring back the youthfulness to our skin. So, guys, check out the video and see what she has to say. She also spoke about Donnet, that's her friend. And she was saying that she was brought through a challenge to speak Patwa for 10 minutes, but she said she's going to do it for free. She just want her to be there on the live when she's doing it. So, guys, go check out the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, have yourselves a wonderful day.
I keep meeting them did park me one side and rest me down. You know me, I say, but me get call out, so me can't talk dialect. Me can't talk 10 minutes straight a patois. Done it right. Doctor right. You the here? Cause me not do it until you the here. You have to turn up on the live for me talk 10 minutes of patois. No English to the thing. And on back of the class, something we talk about. By choice, we are going to just run out 10 minutes of patois. Doctor right, you have to inside here when that happen. Me not do it and make you go watch it after. You have to be present. John, you don't believe me can talk 10 minutes of patois? Oh, me go born at Jamaica. Oh, me go be country girl. And me, if you can't talk patois for 10 minutes, then what could have happened to my tongue, so? The little degrees that I have head take on my good patois tongue. A country I come from, I can't talk balaclava. Patois. Me been a go, me been there, in there. Me can't talk like that, me can't talk. The man tiga be, hey, girl, no. I can't talk the red dirt patois. What happened to you? You come say me can't talk patois for 10 minutes straight. Then I could have cause all of that now, mama. You say me must, hey, Marina, you're done it. Come out, come throw a challenge for me. Big bad and brave. I said, shall I give her $100? She word of $100. You tell her, I said, shall I give me more than $100? Then you hear when you get yourself for the people, they say, they're too low, mama. Mama, I said, I couldn't do it for you, look, you know, say, I'm a charge. Oh, I'm going to know from now. Please, guys, please, for what it's worth, I don't want no negative comment on that video that Donnet post. Donnet is a friend of mine. Donnet is a personal friend of mine. Donnet is a woman, a real woman of standards, caliber, and class. It's not a messy thing. It's a friendly gesture, banter kind thing. It's just a call out to say, yeah, so and nothing. Hey, Nadine. Yesterday, me and TT call her name. I tell TT, say me feel bad. Me not gonna look for you yet. But you know it's something already. So, yeah. So me don't want nobody run up and done it, right? Done it safe, as a safe thing. Yeah. How no see you done it looking at in the video? Who no see you done it skin pretty? Who no see you done it a glow? Done it nice and clean? Only certain people upon the media nice and clean. So still, because what is on the inside radiates on the outside. So the energy with me and done it clean. It good. Yeah, so it's no beef, so don't take anything personal. Don't go be saying, oh, this and that and that and that. It's just a friendly thing. All right, she mean no harm, ain't no bad blood, ain't no nothing. Danit and I are from the same parish. We're both accomplished educationally. We have achieved a lot in life. We come from humble beginnings, and you know, we have that kind of respect for each other. It's a good thing. We have a great bond. Danit and I are extremely close. Extremely close. Okay, so y'all don't go getting anything in y'all heads now and, you know, try to steer anything, because other people try to mash up me and done it, but that can't happen. And done it, I'm a G, right? So don't go do that. So I can talk 10 minutes of dialect, as Antiguans would say, and patois, as Jamaicans would say, but I'm not do it unless Dr. Wright is here, because she challenged me. I'm not do it for the $100, I do it for free. I do it for free. So yes, guys, back to what I was saying now, about the skincare and taking care of ourselves. We have to get in the habit of taking care of ourselves. And like I said, these body wash, they're very good. If you haven't seen them before, let me show you again. You can screenshot it if you want. All right, so I'll show you them again. Name is Natrium. All right, and we have them. So if you want to support me, you can go right ahead and link up. Let's go, Lady V. Where you want we for go? When me and you go, Jacqueline, where you call me for go, Jacqueline? You not call me out of my shop for can me go put me in no trouble, Jacqueline. Where you want me for go? With you, Jacqueline. Me not go nowhere. Me not go nowhere with you. Me not going nowhere with you, Jacqueline, so don't call me for come go nowhere. Where you call me out of my safe place for go? When me go down there now and something happen, wow. Jacqueline. So, and these are the lotions. Let me tell you guys, when you go in the shower and you make sure you wash your body nice, you wet down yourself nice and everything, and you use a nice, I don't know what, some people use wash rag to bathe, some people use the sponge things, some people use the sponge things and different things. Some people have their little scrub thing that they use, some people have their brush with a thing to reach your back and everything. But get a good lather, a really good lather yourself really nice, you know. Two wash down can work, because it's very effective, and trust me, you're gonna see the difference. The first shower, you're gonna feel the difference. By the second to the third shower, the difference is visible on your skin, that your skin now has more moisture, it looks more soft and more. Why I'm coming in front of my place, I go on like him want this. Oh, for me just got throw him right in front of my shop, you know. Yeah. The little boy I love go like him thinking big. Me see him in front of the, cause me tell him yesterday so I don't want him stand up in front of my place with no weed in him, and some see him come and start skin up him face like him feel say I nothing for me run out the sand, grab it and throw it out in front of the road and I'm all. Tell him say I don't play with them no. I'm not afraid of people, and when it comes to my business, you not come in front of it, come go on like you're an idiot. Me rush that and fling that out in the road and they are wicked. So I better I'm gonna sit down. The mall rules say no weed smoking, but yet still them want to find himself in front of your place to smoke weed. If you feel like you want to smoke weed, you don't go pay, you go smoke your weed. Yeah. And you know, no man, as you know, you see when him walk in here, him pass all the tenants like you know see them. And all I walk up in your wheel like him a going like a youth is step aside, make him pass. Yeah, so those, and let me tell you, when you hear you do that and you dry your body and you sit down and you use one of these lotion, trust me, you're gonna see your skin. Everywhere you go, somebody gonna ask you about your skin. Everywhere you go, somebody's gonna ask you about your skin. Somebody's gonna say, boy, Lady V, what you use? Everybody asking me, what are you using on your skin? Facebook not bother block me for this video. This music is not from me. It's from the neighbor next door, the neighboring business. Granted, no, then say if you're playing music in your building, it's not supposed to affect the other neighbors. And see they know. Tenil pretty mommy. How you selling? How you selling them? What? What you asking me, babe? Yes. For me, in the night, my skin care routine is very simple. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. You can get your skin looking like mine. Alright. On a Sunday, because that's when I'm home like a lot, I will do cornmeal and honey, or cornmeal and milk. And I'll make a little paste with it, and I will use it and do circular scrubs on my face on a Sunday. Cornmeal and milk, cornmeal and honey, and like that, right? And I would do that to clean my face. I would get some salt in some water. If you have a facial steamer, you can use it. If you don't have a facial steamer, don't feel left out. Just use like a, like everybody have one of those little buckets at home. And I need some water. Give me a second. Everybody have one of those little buckets at home, so you use it to steam your face. You put the salt in it and you put your head over the water like that. You put a towel over you to cover you down, so the steam come up and the pores, open up the pores, flush it out. Me not take no knuckle, no boy. Me not take no knuckle. Me no want come out there today. Me not make no woman come back and go like she want at up my car there, That me I make you know, Oh. So it's me and one of my neighbor. What was I telling you? So that open up your pores and everything, and alright, but when you finish doing all of that, you have to use a cold towel, cold water to close back the pores. Sometime in skincare routine, we hear something but we don't understand. Once you do any form of heat treatment to your face, anything with steam, it opens the pores. Now, if you never use the cold water, the pores stay open. You have to close back the pores. Alright? So remember that. After doing that, I tend to put cucumber in the fridge. I have 2 slices of cucumber in the round, 2 circular pieces, and I put them on my eyes and I lay down for a while with them on my eyes. The cucumber relaxes your eyes, right? And that's about it. When that is done, I use the oil of Olay moisturizer. Can't remember the correct name for it. It's in a red bottle. Don't remember. I'm seeing it in front of me, but I can't, for some reason I can't remember the name. Sorry. So for some reason I can't, something another, I can't remember it right now, but it's an oil of Olay. It's in a red container. Night something another, something. I'll have to show it to y'all another time. But it's oil of Olay, and it works very well. Hey Avis, it works very well. So when I wake up in the morning, I can see my face looking all nice and clean and fresh. As I say, I use these to bathe. I am presently using these two. This one, as you can see, and this one, as you can see, it says brightener. If you notice this one, it says brightener. So I use both of them. I use this one first, and then I use this one afterwards. So I'm using both these two. And I presently using the fresh scent, the Fresh and Cozy, because the pomegranate is very nice, but it is very strong. It is very, very strong. I am a soft female. I am a very feminine female. I'm a very, you know, them kind of girl there. So, right. So I like that kind of, you know, that kind of give me that kind of sophisticated, soft, womanly kind of, yes, right? So that is what I use. Basically, I don't use anything else. Basically, I don't use anything else on my skin at all. Or I have vitamin E oil. There are times when I would use the vitamin E oil on my skin first and then the lotion afterwards. But that's basically it. And there goes your girl, looking all fresh, looking all flawless, all beautiful, all glowing and radiant and ever so gorgeous. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's just my, and for me, I use Crest. Then I stop. I used to use Crest, and I like it, make my teeth white. But then I moved to Arm & Hammer baking soda. So that's what I use to brush my teeth. So for everybody that always say, oh, you get your teeth so white, that's it. One time every week, I use olive oil with coffee. So I mix the olive oil with the coffee and I use it to brush my teeth. It's a form of whitening, so it makes my teeth look glowing. That's it. Skincare routine right for you there. All right. So I don't know what you use. I don't know if you want to share your routine with us. We're here for it. We can take that. We can listen to that. That's it. That's it. Who is still here? Exactly. It's same one, Joan. Me just couldn't remember what name. Yeah. Yes. And it's very good. It's very good. Very good. And it's not greasy or anything. These lotions too, they're not greasy. You know, some lotion you use them and you're just greasy. When you use them, you can still put on your jewelry and do what you're doing. I use Listerine toothpaste. Listerine toothpaste is very good. It makes your mouth very fresh. You can taste the clean in your mouth. The Listerine toothpaste makes you can taste the clean in your mouth. Yeah. The same thing the Arm & Hammer does for me. When I brush with Crest, I can smell the fresh breath. I know I brush, but when I brush with the Arm & Hammer, I feel the clean. I am confident with the clean. I know I can go to anybody and just talk to people close range. I mean, no, Arm & Hammer got me. That's the one I used to. It works very well. Yes, come ladies, let us talk. Let's talk to each other. Let's empower each other. Let's share things with each other that can make each other better and be our best self. Come on, people. We can do this. So yeah, May I go a sunny. Oh.
Yeah. I start the internet again.
Oh. May I go down a sunny go look for sunny mirror. Cause I don't want all the high-tech mirror over there. I the round on, you show myself for $50? Then how I fancy this? How